together, yes?
And I can't see you.
I can see you, I promise.
What?
You're gonna trip over that lower lip, Maddie. Okay, alright, here we go. Show us some trampoline stuff. Can you bounce on your butt and stand up?
Emmy, get off! Get off!
Hey, don't yell at your sister. Let's ask her nicely. Emmy, come here. Okay, come here. It's Sissy's turn. Okay, it's Sissy's turn.
My turn.
No, let Sissy have a turn, please.
My turn.
Yay, do it again. Please.
It's hurt my feet.
Oh, it hurt your feet? Okay.
Let's try a different one.
Okay, just show me something else.
Rattle.
Okay, straddle.
Tornado.
Okay, what else can you show me?
Look. I can make a toe. Toe. I can do it. Emmy, get off, please. Get off, please.
Oh, Madison.
I thought I nailed it then. Let me go first. Hey, Mommy. Let me see.
Is she being crazy? Why are you growling?
Oh, you're red on there, Emmy. Mother.
Okay, go jump with her.
No, and I can't see it. Hey, Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy, after Amy's turn, and you say, don't look at me. Or, I want to talk now.
You don't want to talk? Okay.
Mommy,
Yes.